What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Guys, today we're going to address something that I hit on a few videos back when I did the kind of like my month review of the GT500. And what it was, as you can see, the Alcantara on the steering wheel is kind of matted. Over time, oils and everything from hands just get on it and it kind of mats it down. If you don't keep it clean, this is what you get into. This right here is not as bad, but as you can see, it's just over time it's happened. And it's one of the things when I kind of bought the car I didn't like, but you know, I can actually replace the steering wheel for like 350 bucks, so it's not outrageously expensive. But however, if I can save money, why not? And so today I've got something to try that it's free. Most everybody has this in their house, and it's using a little bit of washing detergent, a microfiber towel, and some water. So what we're going to do is, I've got it right here, and what we're going to do is, it says just kind of agitate it, clean it and agitate it, and it's supposed to bring it back. So we're going to see how well it works. Now hopefully it works, because if not, then I'm going to have to put this video off. I'm kind of wanting to get this video out to you guys. I've talked about it then, and I've been meaning to make the video and been meaning to do it. So I'm hoping this works. If not, then you'll know in this video, because I'll have to order some stuff from online to actually do it. But this is kind of like something that's free for the most part, and easy to do. So let's get started. All right, guys, so hopefully y'all can see everything pretty well. Kind of got you stuck over there on the glass door, so we're going to wring this cloth out. You don't want it to be soaking wet. And like I said, washing detergent, I use some liquid. You can use powder, whatever, mixed in with some water. Not a whole lot, you know, you don't want to stream them out. But so what we're going to do is, it says to kind of just agitate it and try to clean it. So don't know how well it's going to work, but we're going to try it. It's getting a lot of stuff off of there. There's a lot of stuff coming off on this towel. Just amazing how much stuff over time gets trapped on these steering wheels. Obviously, it had been ideal from the time it was brand new for this to be done periodically, and it would avoid it being in that situation to begin with. But however, I didn't buy the car brand new, so I couldn't keep it going. So we're just trying to see if we can correct what was done to it. All right, guys, I've been working on it for a little while now, and I have to say it is a lot better. Is it 100% back like it was new? No. But I'm not sure you can ever get that back, to be honest with you. But does it look a lot better? Yes. As you can tell, you can actually see texture in it, and you run your finger on it, and you see the different colors come up. You know how you do when you run across suede. So it's a lot better. It's still a little damp. I'm letting it dry, but as of right now, it is a lot better. We're gonna let it dry, then we'll reassess it. But you know, it does look a lot better. You sit out here and look, you can actually see, you know, before it just looked like, you know, matted down, you know, as you've seen in the video. But it does look a lot better. All right, I know some of you are wondering, where's the drag strip videos? I put a shifter in this car, and we haven't had it down the track yet on the drag wheels since then. Well, last weekend it rained. I couldn't do nothing about it. Weekend before that, on Ford Takeover, that Saturday it rained. The Friday night before that, the track was open. However, that Friday morning, the track owner got a hold of me and Caleb and was talking to us about Saturday about not being able to run because of the weather. And it had rained a little bit Friday morning, so I just assumed there would be no test and tune Friday evening. Well, while I'm at the pre-meet, I get a phone call and saying, hey, the track is running test and tune. Are we coming out there? So we went ahead and got everybody together that wanted to go out there, and we went out there. However, I did not know that this was happening, so I did not have my drag wheels on the car. So I did take Mustang Mach 740 down the track. It was on my regular wheels and tires, which it just kind of ice skated the whole way down the track. It was fun, but you know, you're not going to get any times whatsoever. However, I did get a second gear shift in it, and it did feel good. But I'm going to reserve all my comments and saying, hey, the shifter is 100% fixed it until we take it down the track on drag wheels for a full send. So hopefully next weekend I'll be out there. Now the track is open tomorrow night, Friday night. However, my daughter is graduating tomorrow night, so you know that I'm not gonna miss my daughter's graduation to go out there. But so that's off the table. They are having an event called Beyond the 660 Saturday, and I will not be participating in that. It is actually, it's a no prep type of race. They actually start at the finish line and race on. So I'm hoping that maybe I'll be able to get out there and get some footage of that for you guys. I'm not 100% sure. I kind of want to go check it out and see what it's all about before I actually run this car in it, or maybe I'll put the Fox in that. Not sure. But anyway, guys, enough rambling. The steering wheel does look better. You know, it's not 100%, but it does look a lot better than it did. So, does it work? Yes. Is it perfect? No. But I will say this much. If you start out with a brand new steering wheel that's you can just keep clean, and I think it'll work a lot better. I don't know how long the steering wheel's been, you know, matted down with oils and stuff. As you can see, it is nasty. But anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.